Hi guys, so today we're going to do something a little different. As you can see, my scenery is completely different, and that's because I'm on vacation. So we're gonna have like a little chit chat about my summer and all that foolishness or whatnot, and then you're gonna see me get my hair together. This hair is from BuLaDou Hair. I'm gonna leave it here. This is a 16-inch frontal, 18, 20, and 22-inch bundles. And this is made into a wig. I made this myself, and it is glued down with bold hold. And my edges are laid with got-to-be glue gel. Okay? So I'm going to get in the shower, which is right here. It's so lit. And then when I'm done, I'll go through my curly hair routine and we'll have a little chat. Okay. So I'm all showered up. And I tie this around my head like this so that I don't wet my baby hair. And also, I don't like getting water on the frontal glue. I like to make sure it's as secure as possible, so just go back over with a spray bottle. And comb. There we go. As you can see. Nothing much. So right now I'm just going to use my Organics curl mousse, and I'm just going to put that where my part is because that's what helps define my part. And I'm just going to put that all through the hair. This mousse really defines the curls. I'm going to use quite a bit of it only because I was in Miami, and as I get outside and it gets hot, the hair tends to get bigger. So if I put a little more mousse, it holds the hair a little more and it just defines the curls. And it just helps me not be able to do this every day. I ended up only having to do this like every 2-3 days. So I'm just going to comb this out and make sure that everything is evenly distributed. And then I'm going to go on to the next step. So with the Organics curls, coconut curls cream, the spray, I'm just going to spray that all through the hair. And this kind of locks in the curls and helps with definition. And I spray quite a bit, not too much, but again, this helps with the overall look of the curls and definition. So I'm going to let this dry and then I will come back and we'll have a talk. Okay, so it's been maybe like 20-30 minutes and it's still drying, and it's air drying though, but as you can see, the curls are pretty defined. Okay, let's talk about my summer. It was so bad. Like, there are times that I would wake up in the morning and just like not want to do anything, not want to go to work, not just wanted to do nothing. And it became worse because of all the extra stuff that I started dealing with on social media and just being cyberbullied and stuff like that. Okay, so this is basically what it looks like there's no tricks, no lighting, nothing. This is natural light. So what I'm basically doing is I'm letting it air dry. Okay guys, so the wind was very bad in this clip, so I'm just going to do a voiceover. So I wanted to thank BuLaDou Hair for sending me over this hair to go on vacation with. It was extremely pretty and it definitely had me serving looks. I only had to refresh my hair every 2-3 days with the process. and I'm pointing at my view because let's be real, my view is popping. But here's what my hair looks like when it's dry and when I got all glammed up to go out. This is actually perfect vacation hair, and it just kind of helped me be able to do things like go in the pool and all that stuff and not have to worry about bringing heat tools or styling tools. I'm going on a cruise in like a week, and I'm definitely going to wear this hair on the cruise because it was awesome. We'll get into depth about my summer because I did record just a vlog of me talking about it, but for now I'll just see you guys in another video, and I'm so thankful that you guys watched me, but I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, bye. Mwah.